Dear friends, let's embark on another captivating journey through time to uncover the intriguing origins of wall art. Imagine you're in a cozy living room with friends and family, and your eyes are drawn to a magnificent piece of art hanging on the wall. But have you ever wondered where this tradition of adorning our walls with art began? Join me as we delve into the colorful history of wall art, an expression of human creativity that has stood the test of time. Our story begins thousands of years ago, in the dawn of human civilization. Imagine the first cave dwellers, huddled in their rocky abode, seeking shelter from the elements. It was in these very caves that our ancestors began to tell their stories, not with words, but with images. They painted their daily experiences, hunting exploits, and spiritual beliefs on the cave walls, using the most primitive of tools, their fingers and pieces of charcoal. These cave paintings, such as those found in the famous Lascaux cave in France, are a testament to the innate human desire to communicate, express, and decorate. The prehistoric artists, through their exquisite brushstrokes, communicated their world to us, leaving behind a legacy that still inspires awe and wonder. Fast forward to ancient civilizations, and we discover the Egyptians decorating their tombs with elaborate frescoes. These intricate artworks depicted scenes of the afterlife, pharaohs, and gods, ensuring that the deceased would find their way to the promised land. The grandeur of these wall paintings emphasized the significance of the journey into the unknown. In Greece, renowned for its rich artistic heritage, wall art transcended mere decoration. It became a reflection of culture and identity. Frescoes adorned the walls of palaces, temples, and homes, portraying mythological tales, historical events, and everyday life. These artistic expressions became a vehicle for storytelling, education, and a source of pride for the Greeks. As we journey further through time, we encounter the splendid murals of the Renaissance era. Italy, the epicenter of this artistic revolution, gave birth to the likes of Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. These masters of the craft adorned the walls of churches, palaces, and public buildings with awe-inspiring frescoes and murals. Their creations transcended the mere aesthetic. They evoked emotion, inspired faith, and celebrated human achievement. But it wasn't just the grand halls and palatial estates that saw the rise of wall art. The humble homes of everyday people also embraced this tradition. Folk art, with its rustic charm and simplicity, spoke of love, hope, and community. Hand-painted murals adorned the walls of cottages and farmhouses, narrating the tales of generations, preserving traditions, and fostering a sense of belonging. The 20th century brought with it a new wave of wall art, as artists like Jackson Pollock and Frida Kahlo challenged conventional norms. Their innovative approach to expressionism and surrealism transformed walls into canvases for personal and political statements. Abstract art, with its bold colors and unconventional forms, broke free from the constraints of representation, inviting viewers to interpret and engage in a dialogue with the artwork. And here we are today, in a world where wall art has evolved into a vibrant tapestry of styles, from classical to contemporary, from traditional to avant-garde. From the magnificent frescoes of ancient times to the street art that adorns our urban landscapes, wall art remains a mirror of our society's dreams, aspirations, and ever-evolving creativity. The next time you gaze upon a piece of wall art, remember the incredible journey it represents. A journey that spans millennia, cultures, and artistic movements. Each stroke, each color, each image is a brushstroke in the magnificent painting of human history. In the end, wall art is not just about decoration, it's about communication, storytelling, and the timeless pursuit of beauty. It's a testament to our creativity, a mirror to our souls, and a celebration of the human spirit. And as you hang that new artwork in your living room, may it inspire you to continue the rich tradition of wall art, telling your own unique story for generations to come. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.